Friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, guys, I will be showing you how you can see trending videos on your TikTok, and then how you can be able to get more likes and followers and more views on your TikTok account. In today's video, I have a step-by-step trick where you can be able to get some trending videos and how you can be able to use those videos to get more video likes and video views and followers on your TikTok account. So please, I request you that you only watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding. So guys, here, let's get started with me. So guys, what we're going to be doing first, here you have to open your browser. Google Chrome is recommended today on this particular trick. If you have Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Kiwi browser apart from Opera Mini. So guys, here I will open my browser like this. So guys, once you open your browser like this, here you have to type or you have to search for this address. You click on search or type address. Here you have to search for this address, TikTok creator center, TikTok creator center. So guys, you click on enter and then you wait for it to open. So guys, here we have many websites under the search keyword we just used, or under the word we just used right now. So the one you're going to be opening, but guys, please, before I show you this, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime we are uploading this kind of videos, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, here we have to open this particular website, which is the first. Here we have arts.tiktok.com. So here we open it. This video is very important for you, or this trick is very important for you, especially if you have TikTok account and you want to get massive views, you want to get massive TikTok likes and views and followers. So guys, as you can see, what you're going to be doing here in this interface, here you have to click on this hot trends under trends. So guys, here you click on it like this. So you're going to wait for it to open and I will be showing you all what is required today to get more TikTok views, more TikTok followers and TikTok likes. So guys, as you can see, it will be opening up like this. So guys, as you can see, it says browse what's trending now. Browse what's trending now. So guys, here the first thing I will be showing you, here we have hashtags. These are some of the popular hashtags that are currently giving views and likes right now. So guys, these are some of the popular hashtags today or right now trending on YouTube. And guys, not only that, here we have a country. Here you can be able to select the country you want to see, where views or the popular hashtags on a specific country. Here we have Argentina, Australia, we have Bangladesh, we have Brazil. We have many countries here that you can be able to choose. We have many countries here. So because we are currently in Nigeria, that is why Nigeria is showing us here. So in Nigeria, these are some of the popular hashtags that are currently working perfectly right now on TikTok. So guys, here we are under hashtags, and guys, not only that, these hashtags are there in the last 7 days. These hashtags are there in the last 7 days, and here you can be able to see it here, and then you can be able to see it in the last 30 days, in the last 120 days, but we are currently using last 7 days. And guys, not only that, this is the first I will be showing you how you can be able to see the popular hashtags in Nigeria. And then apart from that, we also have songs. You can be able to see the trending songs right now on TikTok. You can be able to see the trending songs right now on TikTok. So guys, as you can see, these are some of the trending songs right now on TikTok in the last 7 days. So guys, as you can see, these are some of the trending songs in the last 7 days. in TikTok and in Nigeria. So just like the way I said earlier, you can be able to change your country from here. So guys, here not only that, we have TikTok videos. You can also check the trending TikTok videos right now on TikTok. So guys, as you can see, let's click on it to see. Here in United States, these are some of the trending videos right now in United States in the last 7 days. So guys, these are the videos. Now, why am I showing you these videos? You can be able to create a content similar to this kind of content I am currently showing you here. You can be able to create a content similar to this kind of content. So guys, as you can see, you can be able to see more of this if you log in to your TikTok account via this particular website, not on TikTok. So these are some of the trending TikTok videos right now in United States, and you can be able to change your country also from here. So you can be able to make similar content like that. And guys, if you make this kind of content, you can be able to get more views, more followers, and more likes on your content that you are creating. So guys, this is what we have for you. And then under that, we still have under this hot, we have likes, we have comment, we have shares. Now let's see the kind of content that are currently having more likes. You can be able to click on it, then it's gonna load to see the kind of content that are currently having more likes, and then more comments and more shares, and then you can be able to get idea from such kind of content. So guys, as you can see, this content are currently getting more likes in the last 7 days. I also have comments. You can be able to click on comment to see content that are currently having more more comments on the in the last 7 days. So we also have creators. Let's see the creators that are currently doing well. We have some creators that are currently doing well right now on TikTok. So guys, as you can see, we all know that Mr. Beast is always on top. Mr. Beast is always on top, and he has about 86 million followers and 335 million likes. So we also have Brent Rivera, we have Avani. So these are some of the creators that are currently doing well in the last 7 days. So this video is very, very important to you. You can be able to get some ideas from here on there, how you can make yourself to be viral. And then guys, not only that, we have industry. We have depending on the kind of content you're creating, we have apparel and accessories, we have baby kit and materials. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, please. And also we have beauty and personal. We have business services, education, financial services, food and beverage, games, health, home improvement, household production, life service. So guys, we have many of them. We have tech and electronics, travels, vehicle and transport. We have many of them here, depending on the kind of content you are creating. So guys, for instance, let's say food and beverage. Let's click on it. So under food and beverage, these are the content that are currently these are popular hashtags under food and beverage. So please, if you found this video to be helpful to you, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like this video and comment below. Don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on one next video. Bye bye.